Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, a closer look is being taken at the Fujifilm Instant Mini 12 camera plus accessory bundle, presented in a delightful mint green. This isn't just a camera, it's a complete package designed to kickstart anyone's instant photography journey. The Instax Mini 12 itself is a marvel of simplicity and charm. Its rounded, bubbly design is instantly appealing, and its operation is incredibly straightforward. One simply twists the lens to turn it on, and another twist to activate the close-up mode, perfect for those detailed shots. The automatic exposure feature is a significant upgrade, ensuring that photos are consistently well lit, whether indoors or out, without the need for manual adjustments. This means less wasted film and more perfect prints. For selfie enthusiasts, the built-in selfie mirror is a thoughtful addition, allowing for perfectly framed self-portraits every time. What truly elevates this offering is the comprehensive accessory bundle. It transforms the camera from a standalone device into a ready-to-use memory-making machine. Included is a custom case, specifically tailored for the Mini 12. This isn't just about protection, it's about style and convenience. The case ensures the camera remains safe from bumps and scratches while on the go, and its design complements the camera's aesthetic beautifully. Then there's the Fuji Instant Film, providing 20 shots right out of the box. This means the fun can begin immediately, without any additional purchases needed to get started. Beyond capturing the moments, this bundle also addresses the crucial aspect of preserving them. A designer mini photo album, capable of holding 60 pockets, is part of the package. This album is a wonderful way to organize and display those precious instant prints, keeping them safe from damage and allowing for easy sharing and reminiscing. The mint green color of the entire set is particularly eye-catching, adding a fresh and vibrant touch to the photography experience. This bundle is truly an ideal gift for anyone looking to dive into instant photography, or for those who already love it and want a stylish, all-inclusive upgrade. It provides everything needed to capture, protect, and cherish memories instantly, making it a standout choice in the instant camera market.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.